Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everybody. Brian here. Uh, Welcome to latest uh, our latest analysis here in crypto and forex. We are going to got some forex pairs lined up as well as our um, forex and crypto. So we'll look at the ones that look pretty good for now. Um, so The one that's been doing pretty good is the British pound against the US dollar. This has been on a tear since the Bank of England said that inflation has reached its low point, and it's been taken off since. As you can see here, from 127 up until about one close to 127.9 right there. So that's quite a good bounce. The British UK footsie market has moved up as well. And the thing here that's looking pretty good is profit factors looking pretty strong. So, um, yeah, I mean, that's not too bad. 1.108. You'll see the comparison between that and crypto. So there is that. So with the euro, it's similar, but it's kind of gone range bound here since the actually not the same days, the 27th. It might start to continue to move up. Part of a lot of this is due to the DXY, the dollar index. This one right here, because the U.S. dollar has been consistently uh, declining right here since the peak here of September, end of September 20 this year. It's been declining, and it's almost pretty close. So the low point here is 100, and we're just $1 away from that from dropping further. So as long as that U.S. dollar is dropping, these other currencies will do well. Uh, so that's what you're seeing here in the euro as it strengthens here. As it's strengthening, let me show you the year to date. This is why everything really depends upon year to dollar. So if you look at year to date, you can see here it's been really driving up since the end of September. How's your Mara friend? Up 200%, 30 days. Yeah, I'm glad you like it, man. Is that the one I recommend you, Hitch? Anyways, you can see here dollar time frame that the long has pumped up. Uh, Mara coin plus 150. Remember? Yeah, I don't remember, man. I mean, how far back was that? Was that something I recommended? We'll look at crypto in a minute. Just want to go through the forex first. I'm not sure. Are you more interested in forex or crypto? Anyways, as I said here, this is the one I'm looking forward to. Let me just pull up the 4 hour. Is the You can see how the Japanese yen's declined as well since November 9th. Oh, I did. Okay, cool. Let me take a look at that in a minute. Appreciate your patience. Yeah, so this one dropped back, and this may start to reverse this U.S. dollar. I saw that with some of the other currencies, but U.S. dollar against Japanese yen. This is where a lot of people made money during the 2022 timeframe. You can see here that drop here is this is pretty steep. So I don't know if this will reverse. Um, so we looked at the euro. This one's probably your best one out there for ultimate return. You can see here it's just this euro Turkish lira is it's just moved quite a bit. And then also same thing with the U.S. dollar. Now, as the U.S. dollar weakens, this is actually starting to accelerate even more. It's nonstop. This is a very predictable trade. Okay, let's go check out your recommendation, Hitch. Mara. Um, oh no, let me pull that up here. Mara. So that's a crypto, or is that was a stock? Ah, yes, Marathon. Yeah, yeah. Marathon's been doing really strong. Yeah, that's typical Bitcoin. When Bitcoin's moving, obviously that moves. Uh, I'm sure I could say the same thing with Coinbase as well. Um, Coinbase as well. It's done pretty good. 78. That's back in November, so it's more than doubled as well. We chatted 3 weeks back and discussed few tickers, where I've sold 75% of them. Yeah, no, I've still got some open positions, but I'm not into the volatile. But this is a nice trend right here, obviously. But my crypto sector's done extremely well. It's up like 300%. So crypto is the number one asset class out there. But Coinbase has done really well, as you said, with Marathon. I think what's it called? Yeah, well, Marathon. There you go. There's the difference. So it's 289% up versus 146. So it's double. Yeah, Marathon's done real. Do you think these will weaken? Or are you hanging on to the Marathon? Um, do you think crypto will weaken? Actually, we can go through that right now. Okay, so let's check out Bitcoin. That's the granddaddy of them all. You can see all these false positives. It's kind of gone range bound, but right here, it's everything's going up in steps, like increments. Like here, slightly pumps, and then it consolidates again. Yeah. So take profit. Are you saying take profit due to you think things will drop in the Bitcoin market? I'm already been out. I took some profit with the ARC. Um, so let's see. So Coinbase was at what's the price? Let me see here. The price of each. Oh, right. Okay. So everyone's doing the tax. The tax losses. So right. So 172 for Coinbase, Marathon, $28. That's kind of like a pretty good stock. Yeah, very good. Really good calls. Oh, so let me see what's going on with Bitcoin. Now, what you're predicting on Bitcoin? It's going up in steps. They're supposed to be releasing the new Bitcoin ETF in the next first 2 weeks of February. So this may pump up. But I don't know if you've been seeing the articles that with Bitcoin or BlackRock coming in. I think long term, it's not going to be a great thing for uh, for Bitcoin because BlackRock's obviously going to manipulate that. I've mentioned that many times. Here's one that's been really taken off lately. You can see here on the 27th, 2020, 2020 200 for Ethereum, and now it's already gone up 2,300. So it's already gone up 5-10% in a very short period of time. I'm not a huge fan of Ethereum with the gas fees, but something's pumping this up as well. I forgot to mention another coin here is Polygon, which is Matic. This one's been going on a tear as well. Let's see the Coinbase one. You can see that one's been doing pretty good too. 77 cents to a buck. Oh, three. So that's already gone up roughly 50% right here in this period. This could continue to move up as well. So I think that this is going to be the next big mover. A lot of hype around this. Trying to find ways to reduce the gas fees on the Ethereum blockchain. So maybe this is part of the solution. Who knows? But that's Matic. If you guys got any requests, let me know. Is Solana still doing well? Let me just check out the hourly here. It's gone flat as well, like with Bitcoin. But the good thing is Ethereum and Matic are pumping now too. So there's always a switch over. So between Matic and Ethereum. Yeah, there's the ones that are doing fairly well, as you can see here, just on the hourly basis. So that's probably the ones to watch for. Also, Avalanche here, same pattern as Solana. It's down as well. So who knows if these will long term take off? It's kind of hard. Looks like Coin might get it. By the way, there's an easy bookmark tool to measure price difference, etc. Is that on TradingView? I just compared, as I shown earlier, between the Marathon and Coinbase. I mean, Coinbase is so dependent upon the performance of Bitcoin. Same with Marathon, but Marathon's been doing extremely well, as you highlighted. So Solana kind of gone flat. Avalanche actually declining. Let me just show you here on the hourly. So these two are kind of moving in a coin integrated way. So I don't know what to tell you there. Now I wanted to go over some of the other altcoins. DXY, forget. So these are the ones that were on my Kraken app that were winners. One that's really going pretty strong right now. I'm just pulling up the Kraken app. Just give me a second here. One was Bitcoin Cash. Let me just show you that one here for Bitcoin Cash. Let's see here. Okay, so here's Bitcoin. That one's been just jumping from 220 to 260. So that's like what, 20% move. That's probably just playing a catch up trade to Bitcoin because it's been missing out. Yes, so if that tool is part of the tool that you're talking about, Hitch, regarding the easy bookmark tool, is that new? I know that they announced something on the screener side. Trading View uh, bookmark tool. Yeah, I'm not sure what tool. Bookmark tool. I just looked it up. Easy bookmark tool. Trading View easy bookmark tool. I'm not seeing what you're talking about here. Is it one of the annotation tools? I use the Trend Cloud trading tool, but it's paid for use. There are other similar tools. Are you referring to it as an indicator? Easy book mark. No, it's not an indicator. I don't have anything here, so I'm not sure what you're referring to, my friend. Okay, so continuing along with the performers here, we've got Bitcoin Cash. Okay, hang on here. If there's no way you can explain this bookmarking tool, would be appreciated. Okay, so other gainers here. I just showed LDO, Lido. This one's not so strong. I always use the profit factor price tool on the left. Actually, is it possible I can leave that to the end? Price tool, magnet, measure, price tool, test, brush, long position. Um, okay, let's worry about that at the end here. So we've got here Bitcoin Cash. Lido's not very strong right here with a profit factor of zero point 0.7. Bitcoin Cash, let me just pull up that profit factor as well. Um, Use that. So that's pretty strong for Bitcoin Cash for our basis, 1 hour basis. That's only a profit factor one. Some other ones that were moving. Uh, Hang on here. So yeah, so the profit factor is not too good for Bitcoin Cash on an hourly basis here. Okay, so let me pull up some other ones. We have Arbitrum. Uh, let's say from Coinbase. That's not that strong. I'm looking for anything over 1.2, 1.1 profit factor. Another one is Optimism. Uh, let's say here on Tether. That's not bad. Um, so Optimism is pretty good. Also, the other one is Aave. So let's see on that one. That one's not so strong. So you can see which ones are pretty good, like with Optimism. Anyways, let's go back to what you were talking about. Uh, so it's called Price Range Tool. Okay, so let me look that up. Trading Price Range Tool. Okay, so I've got here. So this tool allows place points vertically on two different prices. Okay, so is there a? I'm not sure which tool it is. That's the thing. I'm just looking at this one right here. Um, Not sure which icon I'm supposed to look for, but I can see the advantages with it. I'm not going to play the video here, but I'll dig into that. Thanks for that. Hang on here. Is there anything correct? I saw it. Okay, so you saw it. Let me know which one it was. Uh, is it embedded in one of these? Price, fib, price, icon, zoom, magnet. Uh, okay, well, like I said, I'll look into it. I'm sure it's in here somewhere. Anything else I can do? Um, because I've kind of gone through everything that looks okay. I think the strong ones for next year might be going into early next year is the Polygon, the Matic, and potentially Ethereum. Way those charts are looking. Bitcoin may do another pump, but it just goes up in increments. It's based upon news. Something here's driven this price on Ethereum, and Avalanche and Solana should catch up, but it's really drifting since the 24th. So this one's is pretty strong right now, depending upon your. This is Aave, depending upon your time frame. And another one I wanted to check out was Cosmos. That was talked about. Let's see how that one's. Yeah, that one's pretty flat. Yeah, see a profit factor 0.82. Under projection. So I never use these. I'm not sure. Projection. Yeah, like I said, I'll look. I'll look for it on the help. Yeah, measure price range. Yeah, I'll look for that. Anything else I can do for you guys? I've already gone over the forex and crypto. Anyone else? Just trying to see if I'm live streaming on the other big platform here. Hang on. Just type up if you got any requests for anything. But those tips that you gave last time were pretty good. All cool. Okay. Just trying to see if, as I said, looks like I'm live streaming on the other platform. Yes, I am. I am. So if you're on YouTube on that platform, I can't help you because I don't see the chat. But I can respond if you're on that. So two people are watching on that one, just as much as on here on TradingView. Anything else, guys? If not, I'll do a go once, two, three times, and if not, have a good New Year. Going once, going twice, going three times. Up, just so you know, Hitch. I'll be doing more random live streams. Live streams seem to be better than doing the ideas. I prefer it. As said, check out my post, then you'll understand. Will do. Let me just do that right now. Here, let me just check you out here. Is that something new that you're using, or is that something you've always used? Okay, I'm just pulling you up, just so others know that you've been watching quite a few of my live streams lately. So let me check out any of these, uh, that you want me to look at in particular. DDD risky. Okay, let me just take a look at the latest one here. Downtrend, possible breakout, immediate. Okay, so you're using the fib. You got the moving averages. Uh, Gotcha. But I don't see this pricing tool that you're referring to. Or hold on, target amount. Now, oh, I see. Is this what you're referring to? No. Which section of the chart are you referring to with this pricing tool? Is this got the pricing tool? Last 1 year. I don't think I can measure. I don't think I can. No. Look at more. Okay, and another chart. You mean another idea? Okay. I'm looking for your pricing tool here. Right here. No, I don't see your pricing tool. I mean, your charts are pretty impressive. No, I'm not. I'm sorry. I'm kind of confused. Why don't you message me and show me one as an example, and we'll leave it at that. Yeah, just private message me, and I'll look at one of your trading ideas that has that. Is that cool? It's the arrow. Arrow. Okay, hang on here. I'm not sure if you're referring to the bubbles or like these yellow bubbles or yellow arrow shit. Uh, you got the bubbles here. I'm not referring. Probably not the right chart. I'm just looking for any of the. Oh, hold on. Is this what you're referring to right here? Uh, no, I'm not seeing these arrows you're referring to, unless you're referring to these yellow bubbles. But you manually put those in, right? Trend indicator, VWA, EWA, okay. CCI, yeah, it's the blue right here. Isn't that a moving average? Or this right here, the MACD LB, the blue. Oh, hang on. Okay, you got here the targets, the resistance, bottom, fish, blue percent. Right here, the targets. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. Why don't you message me and I'll look at it. Yeah, you see it. I'm blind as a bat. Then there's a lot going on here. The charts you referred to, um, blue arrows. Unless I mean, yeah, yeah. Just message me and I'll take a look at it. Anything else? Anything else? No. Okay, guys. Have a good New Year's, and I'll talk to you soon. We'll do another webinar here. So hold on. Alt J. Alt. Yeah, here. Yeah, Alt J is not working for me for whatever reason. Alt J. Yeah, yeah, Alt J. Yeah, I'll have to read the help there. Just message me about it. Anyways, thanks for helping out, Hitch, and I'll talk to you guys later, unless you guys got something else. Yeah, here my tips are Alt J. Read the charts. It's when you draw. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to take a look at it because I'm not sure which one you're referring to. Can you automate that indicator somehow with an indicator or through PineScript? I guess not. I'm not sure. Anyways, I'll take a look. Just message me, Hitch, and you got all my info. Okay, guys, I'm gonna drop out here. Thanks for watching. Okay, like I said, just message me on it. Okay, have a good night. Bye.